Hi, APA Glenn. What case are you here on?
Hi, good morning, ma'am. I am standing in for Dominic DeGrazia on the
Okay.
Cologne case.
All right. Mr. Cripps, did we lose Mr. Cripps?
I actually just sent him a message too, ma'am. I was stuck in traffic. I apologize for not being here at 8:30.
No, that's fine. Mr. Cripps, did you need to speak to Mr. Glenn? He's standing in for Mr. DeGrazia. Where are you, Mr. Cripps? We're just waiting for him to come on screen, the defendant. He's in
Yes, ma'am.
Division 2, so it could be a little longer than normal.
No worries. I'm here.
All right, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Hey, Heather,
Yes,
do you have LaHoop's numbers?
I do.
Yeah, because he's one of the coordinators.
Oh,
If Division 2 starts dragging their feet,
uh-huh.
give them a call and say they're just waiting.
Okay, now but they don't usually get on till about 9 anyways, right?
That's fine, but for future reference,
Oh,
if
okay.
they start dragging their feet,
Yep.
then you can
LaHoop's
get
my guy.
Yep, LaHoop's the coordinator. And you can always, there's two numbers. One's his desk and the other one's his cell phone.
Yes, the desk 7968,
Yep, and then he has a cell phone and it's
last
just,
6650.
yeah, just send him a text. Just say,
Okay.
you know, this is Heather from 34. We need so-and-so at Division 2.
All right, I will. Thank you very much.
Mm-hmm.
Hi, can you connect me to?
Mr. Bickert,
Yes, ma'am.
you were just here on Zacoria Wells, correct?
Correct.
All right. It's been 30 minutes. She hasn't signed in. You know what? Let me call the front desk and make sure she's not here in person. I didn't really expect her, but
I didn't really either. I'm not sure. You know, yeah, I didn't really either. I'm not sure if that if that address is still good for her or not. But I wasn't able to reach her after the after the situation with the with the competency.
yeah.
But I'll address it with the judge. But yeah, I don't necessarily expect her either, and I'm about 99% sure that she may not have even known about the competency, about the evaluation date.
I mean, if her address is changed, then correct, then she wouldn't know, but they mailed her paperwork.
I got you. Okay. Well,
yeah. So let me check with the front desk, make sure she's not here. And then if she's not, then since she didn't show, you can either sign off, or if you do want to discuss it with the judge, then that's fine. But just give me 2 seconds, okay?
Yes.
Yeah, Mr. Bickert, she never appeared, so it's up to you. I mean, you can sign off and we're just going to issue the warrant. Otherwise, you're muted if you're going to talk. Thank you.
Yeah. If I could get a brief chance to kind of address the issue with the judge, because I do want to see if I can maybe buy a little bit of time to locate her. And like I said, I don't think that I'll
The
just with them.
problem is I have been pushing this off for
Right.
quite a while. I mean, she's failed to appear for competency 3 times.
I know, and
Okay.
just as far as with this particular one, like I said, I had a strong belief that she didn't know.
And do you have
Uh-oh.
the phone number ending in 6281? Because that's the last number that we have for her.
I'm pulling her up now.
Okay.
Give me those numbers one more time. I'm sorry.
6281.
Of course, now my computer's working slow. I'll let you know in just 1 minute.
Okay.
Kicking the body.
Hold on. Mr. Cripps, did you want to speak to Mr. Glenn in a breakout room? He's covering for Mr. DeGrassi. Or did you just want to go on record with the judge? Well, we can't till the client gets here, but you're muted if you're talking.
Oh, the client's not there yet?
No, he's still not here yet. I'm going to get a hold of the officer over there, but usually they don't start till 9 o'clock.
Okay.
Did you need to speak?
Yes.
Okay.
With Mr. Clark, yes. Thank you.
Mr. Bickert, is that the number that you have?
Yes, it is. I'm waiting on my
Okay,
other.
then yeah, I'll let the judge know that you do want to talk to him before you hang up. Okay. Thank you.
Good morning, Mr. Bickert.
Good morning, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Bickert, your appearance for Miss Victoria Wells, please.
May I please court, Your Honor, Tyrone Bickert, P number 62647, appearing on behalf of Mrs. Arcoria Wells.
All right. And this matter was set at 8:15. It's now 8:52. She is not checked in live and we have not seen her on Zoom.
That's correct, Your Honor.
And unfortunately, this is not her first fail to appear.
That is correct, Your Honor.
Go ahead.
I have somewhat lost touch with Miss Wells. I would indicate though, and I just want to say on her behalf that I do not believe that, well, at least I was not able to inform her of this last evaluation date. So I have strong reason to believe that she may not have been aware of the date. I have not been able at the most recent address, Your Honor. What I was hoping to do was get an investigator on it. And so I guess my only request are to ask the court if the court could possibly give me maybe 2 weeks or so to see if I can locate Miss Wells and because what actually happened is I received the evaluation the day before via email. It was actually, it's very likely that it is our intent. I've discussed it with with my supervisor and had some discussion with Ms. Wells before I lost touch with her, that we may be withdrawing that request for the referrals, for the competency referrals, and trying to move forward. So what I'm asking this court, I guess, to consider, and I understand I understand the history of this case. If the court would possibly set a date a couple weeks out to see if I could locate Miss Wells myself and kind of get this case back on track. Obviously, if not, then KPS would issue. I understand that's asking for a lot in this particular situation, but I would submit to the court that Miss Wells does suffer from mental illness, and I know that she was really trying hard to kind of to deal with the matter, but she definitely has some difficulties.
Right. Here's my problem, Mr. Baker. She's had lots of contact with the court about her competency exam dates and never showed up. So the new kinder system is, today we set a show cause, we put it in a pile. If we haven't had any contact with her in 48 hours, then it'll go into the bench warrant status. So I'll give you 48 hours, see if your investigator can at least make contact with her. If you can make contact us, and then we'll talk about another date.
Understood, Your Honor.
Right.
Fair enough.
Good
That's
luck.
fair. Thank you, Your
Have a
Honor.
nice day.
All right, you too.
Heather, nothing else, right?
No, Judge. Attorney Cobb, did you need to speak to your client?
No, it's my understanding that Attorney Fulmar is requesting a competency hearing. She's seeking approximately 45 days for her experts to appear.
Okay, then you need to go into the breakout room with that client because that client is not speaking to us. So, Bren, do you want? Correct.
Okay, you can put me in the breakout room.
Yeah, Bren, did you want to speak to him? Or, well, I guess it doesn't matter for this. Okay, let me put you in there.
Hello? Hello?
Sadie, wait till the judge calls your name. It'll be just a few minutes.
I'm trying to talk back to my lawyer.
Okay, can you go back in that breakout room that you were just in?
Oh, okay. Hold on.
He's in there waiting for you. Oh, there's
Hold on.
Hey,
Mr.
I just came back.
Okay. I didn't know what's going on. My phone had messed up.
Okay, do you guys want a
Oh.
breakout room, Mr. Cobb?
Sure. You can put us in the breakout room.
Thank you.
Hello?
Sadie, I put you in the breakout room with your attorney. Mr. Cripps, your client's on. Did you want to speak to him, or are you ready to go with the judge?
Ready to go.
Ready to go. Okay.
Good morning, Madam Clerk. Have a seat.
Mr. Cripps, your appearance, please, for Mr. Jalen Kalan.
Good morning, on it for the record, David Cripps, P 34972, appearing on behalf of Mr. Jalen Kalan. No objection to Zoom.
All right, I thought we were ready, Mr. Cripps. Looks like they haven't put him in the chair yet. Hang tight till we can get him in the chair.
Yes, Your Honor.
Are we ready on Eli Dawson?
Yes, I am, Your Honor.
All right, appearances. This should be in there. Go ahead.
Good morning, Your Honor. Attorney Daniel Mercier, representing the first prosecutor.
All right, check them out for here.
Doesn't matter.
All right.
Good morning, Your Honor. Peter Kowinski on behalf of the people, P 84448.
Good morning, gentlemen. What are we doing?
Your Honor, we didn't wait today. I explained to my client it's constitutional.
Okay, somebody's got paper on a mic.
Allow me to repeat myself, Your Honor.
Please.
After going.
Hey, I'm sorry, Judge. Hey, Ms. Salters, can you mute your?
One more time.
Yes, can you hear me?
All right, if you're in my Zoom meeting, shut the hell up. I'm in court. If you need a private breakout room, put yourself there. Now let's try it.
Thank you, Your Honor. I've advised my client of the constitutional rights to a probable cause exam, the standard of a probable cause. After doing so, we've elected to address these issues at the county. And we will be waiting to.
Thank you. True, you understand the purpose for an exam?
Yes, sir.
You've discussed your rights with counsel?
Yes, sir.
You understand those rights and the options they provide to you?
Yes, sir.
Understand that if we enter a waiver today, that means you're going down to circuit court. You're doing this freely and voluntarily today? Gentlemen, you satisfied with the waiver?
Yes, Your Honor.
Satisfied, Your Honor.
All right, I'm gonna send Mr. Eli Dawson downtown. AOI will be in 2 weeks, which would be, what, the 8th? 9th.
I believe the 9th, Your Honor.
Yep, 9 a.m. Anything else?
That's it, Your Honor.
Good luck.
Thank you.
Oh, I hate these new forms. I just cannot get used to them. Mr. Kalan, can you hear me?
Yep.
All right, good morning. Mr. Cripps, let's try your appearance again.
Good morning, on it for the record, David Cripps, P 34972, appearing on behalf of Jalen Kalan.
Who's prosecuting this one today?
I am, Judge. Good morning, Your Honor. Mike Glenn for the people. My P number is 77516.
Good morning, counsel. Thank you. And Mr. Cripps, I think you've got a motion up today.
Yes, Your Honor, I do. I'm asking for the court to sign an order of indigency on behalf of my client. He has no financial resources to be able to afford an expert in this case. And therefore, I'm asking the court to sign the order of indigency. This would have to do with an expert regarding the issue of competency to understand Miranda rights.
Mr. Glenn, any response?
Judge, the people take no position in that matter, Judge. I think that I know that the Forensic Center claims they're not doing those exams anymore. So I think that that's appropriate.
Right. Mr. Cripps, here's my problem. The last time we got involved in an independent, they tried to bill us for it. We don't have a budget for that.
No, Judge, this would not be a bill towards this court, your court at all. There's an independent fund for experts for the defense bar. That would not be anything to do with the finances of your district court.
Given your order doesn't say anything about spending any money, it just says your client doesn't have it, I'll sign your order.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Anything else to accomplish today?
No, Your Honor, I would just ask for another probable cause conference date to complete this independent evaluation.
Yeah, you better let us know when you get something scheduled, because right now all we can do is give you PCC, a month down the road, and that probably isn't enough for you to get your evaluation. We'll put it in review for an in-house date just so it doesn't fall through the cracks. Anything else?
Nothing from the people, Judge. Thank you.
Bond is continued. Good luck.
Thank you, Your Honor. I'll keep you the court updated. I appreciate
Thank you,
it.
Judge. Have a great day, everyone.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mike.
Anything? What?
Judge, Your Honor, is Mr. Glenn still there?
Nope. Looks like you are.
Okay. I wanted to briefly address the issue of bond.
That's why I said anything else, and both of you said no.
I understand.
So now you have to file a motion.
Thank you, Your Honor. I'll do that.
No, I got training. I got training these people. What's the name? All right, give me that again, so I might be able to spell it.
Lala.
Thank you. What's your current time?
Endorsed on behalf of the people.
Royce Conley on behalf of the defendants, we have reached a resolution, Your Honor. We would ask, he's in default in civil infraction, we would ask the court to set aside the default.
I don't even have a civil infraction.
I think it was the B, A, B, C part of the ticket. I think Mariah indicated that. It was
Yeah, but I don't have a file. I've only got 2 on files, and they're not all. I got Sure, and I got Pat. All right, go ahead.
Okay, so the plea agreement was to dismiss the reckless watercraft misdemeanor, set aside the default of civil infraction, dismiss that in exchange for him pleading guilty to the personal watercraft portion of it.
All right, so the marine safety no certification detail on vessel, civil infraction, that's default set aside and dismissed. All right, and that leaves me with reckless use of a watercraft and personal safety 100-foot rule, right?
Correct.
Which one we pleading to?
Pleading to the 100-foot rule.
And dismissing the other, right? All right. Mr. Lala, you understand the possible penalty for the charge?
I do.
You've discussed your rights and options with Mr. Nunley today, is that correct?
I did, yes.
You understand those rights and options?
I do, sir.
Understanding all of that, are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily today to that charge? All right. You want to board here, Mr. Nunley, incident date was August 14.
Yep, on August 14th, 2022, I was in Belleville, Michigan, where you were on Belleville Lake. And were you within 100 to 200 feet of an anchor's watercraft at that time on a jet ski?
My boat was not anchored. Yeah, I was closer than I should have been, yes.
Satisfied.
Satisfied.
Okay, I'll accept that plea and dismiss the others pursuant to plea. What should I know before I sentence?
Leave it to the discretion.
All right. Are you working, Mr. Lala?
I am, sir.
Where do you work? How long you been there?
I work for Coletta Turbines in Ypsilanti,
Sure.
Michigan. I've been there almost 10 years now.
Good, good. Anything you want to add before I sentence?
No, sir.
All right, fines and costs on this file, $400. That's due within 5 days from today. Can you pay it today?
I will pay today, yes, sir.
Okay, you can do that downstairs,
Okay.
front counter.
All right, thank you.
Have a good day.
Thanks, Ed.
Let's see what council. Are we ready?
No one has spoken to her.
So you need to get her in a breakout room?
Yes. If you can jump on, and then I can go to the break room.
Nothing else. Relief. Hey, Joe, check and see when you're out there, if any of the Flowers, Logan, Ortiz, or Wells, we know Wells didn't show. So let me know if Flowers, Logan, or Ortiz show up.
They weren't here.
Thanks. Logan.
Judge, the Salters case is ready. It's on Zoom.
Thank you very much.
Yes, Your Honor.
Be with you just a second.
Can I have this room?
All right, I am ready for appearances on Salter.
Good morning, Your Honor. Bryn Bailey on behalf of the people, P84009.
Good morning, Judge Michael Cobb, P78658. I'm here standing in on behalf of Attorney Allison Fulmar for Miss Sade Salters. Miss Salters, would you state your name for the record, please?
Mr. Cobb stands in.
Sade Salters.
Is it all right if Mr. Cobb stands in for your attorney? Ms.
Sade,
Salters, is it
they're
okay if
asking you.
Mr. Cobb stands in.
Sade, is it okay that I be your attorney for this moment instead of Allison? Because me and you talked and you know that Allison has a, okay, and you're okay with that?
Yes, you know that.
Right. The judge is asking you to say that you're okay for the record.
Yes.
Thank you. Can you hear me, Ms. Salters, or are you having trouble with my audio?
I can't hear you, but I was having a little bit of trouble with your audio, but I can hear you clearly, sir.
Okay. Mr. Cobb, what are we doing?
Hey, Judge, I've had an opportunity to speak with Attorney Fulmar. She's asking for approximately 45 days to have this case set for a competency hearing so that her witnesses could appear. She wants to have expert witnesses appear, Your Honor. So she's seeking to have this case set for a competency hearing.
So I'm sorry, Your Honor. Bryn Bailey on behalf of the people. Does she already have an expert witness who has formulated a report?
I haven't had an opportunity to get that from her. I'm just standing in.
Because if she hasn't been evaluated and we haven't gotten I don't see where we've gotten a report back from the forensic center. And
this was referred for competency on May 18th. On September 14th, it looks like the PCC was adjourned because we were looking for a report.
So we don't have a report. Yeah, so we don't have a report with
while we were looking for it.
I believe so. I don't have one in my file. So, but if the forensic report hasn't come back yet, we can't have a hearing on it because we don't have a report with their opinion.
And Your Honor, I don't have any information on whether that report is back or not yet. I just state that my directions were to ask the court to have this set for the competency hearing.
All right, well, let's see what's in the file. All right, I've got a report in the file that is dated August 10th from the Department of Health and Human Services. And it is the opinion of the examiner that Ms. Salters was competent to stand trial at the time of the evaluation.
Okay.
So you want to have a hearing on that, Mr. Cobb?
No, Your Honor, I think Ms. Fulmar may be bringing her own expert witness to maybe offset the decision by the forensic center, Your Honor. I think that may be why she's asking for the hearing, Your Honor.
Yeah. Okay. That's what I just said. So you want to have a hearing on that issue?
Yes, Your Honor.
Well, Your Honor, I'd object to the 45 days. Mental health is an ongoing thing, and we already have 2 months since the report being filed from the forensic center. Another 45 days would make it 3.5, almost 4 full months since the forensic center evaluated her. Your Honor, this should have already been done.
Your Honor, I believe as the prosecutor just indicated that nothing could be done until we actually got the report back. So I believe if we got the report back, I believe the court just stated mid-August or late August. If she just got a chance to review it, I think that it still would be appropriate to have the 45 days to allow the experts to arrange their appearance.
December 7th is the date. What time? 11:30 is the time.
Thank you very much, Your Honor.
Can we please make sure that I get a copy of I need a copy of any reports that Ms. Fulmar's experts, as well as their CVs, are going to present.
What time was it? Anything else on this one?
Nothing further. Certainly, APA Bailey, I will ensure that she gets that to you.
Bond is continued.
I can leave?
They asked me to adjourn every file because they don't have discovery.
Can I leave?
That's what I heard.
Your Honor, can I leave?
You can. Have a lovely
Thank you. You
day.
have a blessed day, Your Honor. Thank you.
Counsel, are you ready?
Yes.
How would I know? I have no idea. I have no idea. Yeah, I have no idea. I don't even know how to check. Which one? I'm sorry. Yep.
No. She's not.
You want to call Stoops?
Yes.
Okay. All right, appearances on Shirley Stoops, please.
Sophia Nelson, standing in for Vanessa Hamilton of Neighborhood Defender Services of Detroit, P77960, on behalf of.
Good morning, Your Honor. Bryn Bailey on behalf of the people, P84009.
Thank you. Ms. Stoops, can you hear everyone all right?
Good morning, Your Honor. I'm
Thank
Shirley.
So I had had an opportunity to speak with Ms. Stoops, and she's unable to post bond. She does work as a house cleaner, but she is self-employed. She is struggling with addiction, and she actually does not want to be released to home. She wants to be released to a treatment center. She's really very much in a place in her life where she would like to get help.
She got a bed?
I'm going to work on it.
Okay, you find her bed, I'll send her there, absolutely.
Okay.
Absolutely.
All right, we'll get our social workers on it, and then I'll email.
Absolutely.
Okay, all right.
Happy to do it.
Okay, thank you so much, Your Honor.
You got that, Ms. Stoops?
Yes, sir. Yes, Your Honor.
Much
Thank you.
rather have you in rehab than with deputy prevention.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay, okay.
Wait, what are we doing?
I don't,
Go ahead, Ms. Bailey.
I'm sorry, I understand that that bond is a very important issue, but what is the next step aside from attempting to get Ms. Stoops into some treatment?
I'm gonna adjourn the PCC just so we got the date on the file. And I'm gonna give defense a chance to find a bed so we can order her into a rehab center instead of where she's currently at.
Okay.
So November 9th.
okay. And Bryn, do you know if Vanessa has discovery in this matter?
Paper has been sent. I have requested digital.
Thank you. November 9th, Your Honor?
Yep,
All right.
8:30.
Thank you so much.
I heard him say that. Okay.
And we'll just contact Heather when you got the details. We'll set something up on Zoom or whatever we're gonna do.
I heard him say that. Sorry.
Deputy, thank you very much. We're done with Ms. Stoops.
Thank you, Your Honor. You and your staff have a wonderful day.
Thank you.
You as well. Thanks for the help. And appearances on the People versus Hassan Tarak.
Your Honor, we have been able to reach a deal.
Good.
Ms. Gillis, whereby she is going to outright dismiss the registration plate violation misdemeanor. He had a civil infraction which he didn't know when we default, so he is just going to pay that civil infraction in exchange for this.
Good. And you got a payment plan that starts the end of the month, right?
Yes.
Okay. All right. I'm assuming it's okay if I dismiss this.
Yes.
Okay. Have a nice day.
You too. Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you, Mr. Nunley. Stoops we did, Kalan we did. Austin we did. Oakley we did. You going ready, Mr. Bowditch? What's the name? Good morning, gentlemen.
Your Honor, for the record, Jeffrey Bowditch appearing on behalf of the Mr. Luna.
What do we got?
Today is the date and time set for the final pretrial. I don't believe there is an agreement.
Ms. Bailey, is this one yours, Luna?
It would be Ms. Gillis.
Ms. Gillis. Don't worry, she's not. Hey, Joe. Tell Jane I need her on Zoom. Or here, I don't care.
This was scheduled, Your Honor, at 8:45.
Thank you.
Borinsky, on a probable cause conference. That one's yours.
Lazinski?
Yeah, there it is.
Yeah, yep.
Council's done with them. I don't know what she wants to do. Did you want to talk to council about it?
You know who that is talking? Ms. Gillis, do you have a victim on Luna?
No.
Case dismissed.
You sent the victims notice of victims. No, we don't have any information on it. We don't have any. It's up to the prosecutor. Well, this file is in my hand, but. Oh, no, sub was sent at 7:26, so. Are there?
I doubt if it was sent on 10/26 because 10/26 is now.
Oh, final pretrial 10/26, sent sub.
There we go. Okay.
It's not my handwriting.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
She sent us stuff last night.
Okay. Thank you. I'm sorry. Wazinski with the W?
No, it's a B.
Wazinski, got it.
He's coming in and brings it to the end.
Okay. And his attorney ready to. Are we ready on Blazinski?
Yes.
Appearances.
Sophia Nelson, Waiver Defender Service on behalf of.
Good morning, Your Honor. Bryn Bailey on behalf of the people, P84009.
And what are we doing?
There's some back and forth. I'm hoping to get Mr. Brzezinski evaluated for sobriety court. The people haven't yet expressed an offer OWI second, but I'm hoping that they will, and I'd like to get that all started. I don't know if that's possible.
Sobriety court here?
Yes.
Your Honor, I'm so sorry. I can't hear Ms. Nelson.
She wants time to check out sobriety court evaluation to see if she can convince you guys to give her an offer to a second offense.
Okay, that is correct. I just wanted to make sure that that is.
Okay. We can probably have an answer to the sobriety court in a few minutes.
Okay, how does that work?
Well, Your Honor,
Talk
it hasn't.
to, Shannon Ralph, you need to talk to Shannon. Go ahead, Ms. Bailey.
The offer hasn't been made from my office, so I don't know if the probation officer is going to want to interview Mr. Blazinski without a confirmation from my office that the reduction will actually be offered.
Whether or not you offer it has nothing to do with our evaluation, whether or not we want it.
Well, Your Honor, if my office isn't offering the OWI second, then it wouldn't be a misdemeanor. And unless
No, I understand that. I understand that. I understand that, but I can get the evaluation started with the idea that if you come through with an offer, we're ready to roll. Because strangely enough, I'd like to move these files along. In this case is an incident date of February 16th that's already been adjourned more than once. So I'm assuming you can get an answer within 2 weeks. I'll take that as a yes. So we'll adjourn this PC one last time till November 9th. And I'll send you down. Can you do it now or you got somebody else waiting for you?
I have someone else waiting for me, but I can send him down.
Okay.
He doesn't need me.
No, we'll send him down and see if she's got time today. If she's got to schedule him. She'll get him back, talk to him.
All right, November 9th at 8:30.
Yep.
Thank you.
No, he's out of custody. Let's do him at 9.
Okay, thank you.
On is continued. Mr. Blazinski, stay right where you're at for a minute. We'll take care of him, Ms. Nelson. Yep, we got him. Who are you talking to? Just tell Shannon that the adjourn date is the 9th, so I'd like an answer whether or not the candidate by the 9th. And it does not have to be typed. She can just tell me. Yeah, because if he's eligible for sobriety court, then the prosecutor's office may give him a second. Right. All right, Mr. Blazinski, go downstairs. You're gonna go out to the probation counter. You'll see where it says probation up on the wall, and they'll call your name. Gardner, is that your lady? Okay. Thank you. Ms. Gardner, come on up. Ma'am, I understand you have waived your right to speak to an attorney today. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
All right. And Ms. Bailey, are you on this one?
No, Your Honor, I'm only handling the felonies today.
Okay. Garner and Brennan's name's on the file. That's why I asked. Ms. Gillis.
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you representing the county on Ms. Garner's request to set aside a conviction?
Oh, hold on a second. I can't hear you. Hold on. Okay. I'm sorry. What did you say, Your Honor?
Got a file scheduled for Miss Leanna Garner, a 2010 retail fraud file. She's trying to get that conviction set aside. Are you representing the people today?
Yes.
Any objections to that order being signed?
No, the AG's already signed off on it?
I don't know. That would be your job to check.
Well, I don't have court files in here.
According to Mariah, that's what we were waiting for.
Yeah, Attorney General sent a letter dated April 6th.
Okay, I have no problem with it.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Who's filling these out? No, they're not. I mean, you gotta fill the form out though.
Okay, yeah. I got
You got it?
You sign it?
Fill the form out and let the officer know you're ready and he'll hand it to me and I'll look it over.
Okay.
Kirby with an H. I am ready on Herbie.
George Stone, hearing on behalf of the defendant, after speaking with the prosecutor, my client's going to avail herself to the offer of pleading guilty to the reduced charge of allowing an unlicensed driver to drive and change the dismissal of the DWLS.
Wonderful. Herbie, do you understand the possible penalty for the added charge?
Yes, sir.
Did you discuss your rights and the options those rights give you with Mr. Nunley?
Yes, I did.
Understanding all of this, are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily today to the added charge?
Yes, sir.
All right, did you drive a vehicle in Romulus on October 3, 2022 while your license was suspended, revoked, or denied?
Yes, sir.
Satisfied?
Satisfied.
I'll accept the plea. Anything I should know before I sentence?
Just leave it to the discretion of the court. Well, I would say that she's making great strides towards getting her license back. I believe
Okay.
her only issue now is some fines and costs
Money.
in Detroit, and then she should
Okay.
be good to go.
Good. Are you working?
No, I'm not working.
Okay.
I'm in the middle of a layoff.
Where are you laid off from?
Chrysler.
All right, so you're planning on going back?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, so you're employed, you're just not working?
Yeah.
Bad questions.
Hours.
Bad questions, get bad answers.
It just started Monday. So.
Okay, all right, good luck.
Thank you.
Anything else you want me to know before I sentence?
No, sir.
All right, total fines and costs on the file, $500. That's due 5 days from today. Either pay it within 5 days or make arrangements within that 5 days to do something other than that.
Okay.
Monthly payment plan, longer due date. You can make all those arrangements downstairs.
Downstairs. Thank you.
You're welcome. Good luck with the license.
Thank you, sir.
So Ms. Garner is going to tell you she's got her paperwork ready for me to look at and sign. Hey, Joe. Don't know if Hamlet showed up. Right, I think. Or Bruce.
She's back.
She is back?
Yeah.
Come on up, man. This should do it. That's yours.
Okay, thank you
Yeah,
so much.
you're welcome.
I need to make copies of those.
Oh, do you?
Okay. Yeah, 'cause I can mail them out.
Oh, that's right. What's going on? No, we're just trying to find out if you checked in.
Oh, okay, I think you're making that.
Nope. Was it first? Yeah,
First
first.
is here.
Okay.
Yeah. Hamlet was, no answer.
No hand. Thanks, Sona. It's not supposed to be like this tomorrow, is it? Weather-wise.
It's cool.
Cool's all right. Yeah, it looks like sunny tomorrow. A lot of cooling though. It's high of 55. Oh yeah, it is. Yeah. Yeah, because you don't mind having a hat on and buttoned up collar, all that good stuff. And nobody be tempted to wear sandals. I asked Andy this morning, I said, "You all excited for tomorrow?" She said, "Yeah, she really is." I said, "I kind of sense that." We'll get you out here in just a minute, man.
All right. Thank you. Have a good day.
Yeah, okay, that's what I'm planning. No, I'm keeping that. Somehow. How are you doing, sir? I don't know. Ms. Gerhart? Yes. You are Mr. Reed? Yes. We don't have Ms. Gerhart yet, right? All right, let's see. All right, I appreciate it. We love this kind of court, man. We love this in the building. You did a great job. Not me. I think you're ready to breathe.
No, you're not gonna. I was gonna tell you how we handle Thursdays. Well, this is all new for all of us. Yeah, today's new for all of us. Transitioning to this.
Yeah, and that sends out letters. Civil or criminal. These are giving-
Oh, okay. Sorry.
And that sends out letters. Yeah. his attorney said it's, Yeah. Here, you wanna take care of Hannah first? You wanna go on record and go to the judge?
Yeah, I can. No problem.
All right. Report to the court on session.
That should just stuck out.
That's all right. What's the name? What's file?
I think Hamilton.
I saw him in the hallway. Gearhart.
Gearhart's not gonna appear, so he left to go through federal hearings. He said Gearhart is not showing one here.
What time was Gearhart scheduled?
9:30.
Not having a physical file is really throwing me off now. You know how everything.
No, don't give it to her. You gotta get used to that.
No, I know, I do.
Paperless.
It's so strange because I'm like,
Yeah.
oh, where is my stuff? And I'm like, everything is now in this digital. We don't even have physical files anymore. And it's so
Paperless
weird
world.
to me because that's how I write down everything. On older cases, I do. Anything new, like within the last month that's been authorized has been all digital. Yes, exactly. So like the warrant or like the discovery, everything is on there and I don't.
Appearances on People versus Ferguson.
Good morning, Your Honor. Someone speaking on behalf of the people, P83923.
Good morning, Your Honor. That's Hamilton, PH2107 on behalf of Mr. Ferguson. He's here in the courtroom tonight.
All right, what are we doing? Sit.
We'd like to we'd like to set up preliminary examination.
All right. Oh, it's the last one I read for, obviously. November 30th or December 7th? Your call.
The 30th.
All right, 1:30 or 2?
Let's do 1:30.
All right, so 11:30:22 at 1:30. This is live. Anything about bond?
Yes, Judge, can I address that, please?
Yeah, let's make sure we're all on the same page. Bond is a 10,000 personal, no contact with Jamie Ferguson or Andrew, looks like Delander. Delauder, that's a W, okay? And not to return to a Hazelwood address.
Yes, that is correct, Judge.
Okay.
My recommendation is going to be to the no contact order. I have spoken with both. So
Hold
there's
on,
two
hold
steps.
on. There is a no contact.
Yes.
Okay, so what's your recommendation?
So my request is going to be, so there are two separate victims in this case. One, I believe, is Mr. Ferguson's spouse, and then the other, Andrew, is the stepson.
Got it.
And so the stepson currently lives with Jamie, his mother, at that address. Jamie has requested contact. Hers is a misdemeanor GB count here.
Right.
And so I request that the no contact order be amended as only for Jamie.
Okay.
But he is to still not return to that address because the no contact is not changing for Andrew.
So your suggested change is that Mr. Ferguson can have contact with Jamie Ferguson, but not at the address.
Correct. And not with Andrew because Andrew's residing
Okay.
at that address. And his ace is the.
No objection?
assault.
Okay, all right.
Yeah.
All right, so I'll change the no contact with Jamie to not to harm, harass, or confront. For the problems, you're at fault, that violates bond. Clear? Got it. Okay. Anything else?
That's it. Thank you.
All right. See you in a couple weeks.
See you in a couple hours.
Yeah, you will.
No.
Hamlet back on.
Yeah.
How is Hamlet back on?
I had
Did Hamlet show up?
Yeah, Hamlet's.
Good.
And then, yeah. Earhart, she's at TA. The attorney came and said, yeah,
She told about that. Yeah. That it?
Yep.
You know anything about Sheer Pigs? Has talked to him or needs to? Okay. Okay. Hey, Michelle, do you know if Mr. Nunley is running on pegs?
I don't believe anyone's talked to Mr. Peggs. I can't get him to stay in my breakout room to talk to him.
Okay.
I'm ready to talk to him whenever.
All right, Mr. Peggs, we're gonna put you in a breakout room. You gotta stay there so you can talk to your attorney. Give me a thumbs up if you understand that. Okay.
Michelle, jump in there with them.
Okay. Well, Alphonse is like, you know, the Europeans, they're all French. Well, probably Spanish too. That's where we'll go. He said they were going to. Trying to look around, trying to because you don't look around. Man, this package just dragged. How about Medley or Powell they show? Did we just do first one, right? Address. Right. So the only change is he can have contact with Jim. Jim Murray's on the docket today. I haven't seen Jim in a while. So TVG just told me on December 13th, I think she said it was Tuesday, she's gonna have a game night, but it's not night. In December for her sobriety court. First time. Yeah, order pizza, bring some more games in, and him, playing euchre or whatever. I said, yeah, if they're playing euchre, I might stop in. Yeah, she said, I was gonna invite the whole staff. I said, that's great. Just like a totally positive for him.
Powell's out there. His attorney can't be here. He's got retained counsel.
Huh.
Yeah.
He's attorney counsel. There is no counsel. Nobody's filed an appearance. Send Mr. Powell in. Officer Crowe, did Medley show up or not?
I didn't get a response from that.
Thank you. Good morning. You are Devontae Powell?
Yes.
Mr. Powell, we do not have an appearance from an attorney. So officially, you don't have an attorney on this file. So who have you hired?
His name would be Landon Smith.
Who?
Landon Smith.
All right. I'm going to give you 1 week adjournment. All right, we're going to give you notice to come back next Wednesday.
Okay.
I'm going to do it 9 a.m., Heather? All right, we're going to give you a paper notice. Joe, so you can check on Medley and then Michaela James was a 9 o'clock. Who's the gentleman in the back?
He's waiting on that.
Yes. Smells almost like incense. Okay. Seriously, where somebody bought one? It was in the trunk. Yeah. Yeah, that was my favorite thing about working out. You just get to go to the lot. It's like Christmas. Just as excited as I was to see what was in the trunk. Did pretty good for himself. About 6th grade education. Sounds like we're talking about the last thing. The other one, that's all you know. So we end up all over here. We go to fire watching down on the North Shore. You know what? Let's take a trip down there. I think I got a friend of mine over there. I just never forgot. So people are next to it. You have to get that. So that's inevitably not the other option. Like you wait for the question somewhere. So if they wanted one, they can keep it right? So he tell my dad. So my dad told him that they were the guy in the pickup, how old was that? I don't know about it. Sure, if somebody that was there that he knew in a drive that yeah. Are you ready on that one, counsel?
Yes, sir.
We need the prosecutor?
I believe Fred is the prosecutor.
Do we need her?
Well, we're setting a preliminary exam date, but we are asking for a amendment of bond.
Yeah, we'll get her then. Yeah. She's coming. I think she's coming. All right. All right, Ms. Bailey, appearance on the Hamlet matter, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Bryn Bailey on behalf of the people, P84009.
Good morning, Your Honor. Vanessa Hamilton, P82107 on behalf of Mr. Hamlet, who sits to my right.
Good morning, Mr. Hamlet.
Good morning.
All right, so did we just set another one for you?
Yeah, we just set a preliminary exam date.
What, was that on the 30th?
Yeah, that was the 30th.
You want to set this one at the same time and place?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
That'd be great.
Mr. Hamlet, that work for you, November 30th, 1:30 in the afternoon?
Not 1:30, I won't have to wait to get up.
Well, we only do afternoon dates.
Do I have to be in person or can it be Zoom?
Yeah, this one's got to be live.
Okay, yeah.
You can make it on November 30th?
Yes.
Okay. All right, and let's talk about bond. Currently, let's make sure we're on the same page. It's currently 1,010%, no contact with the complainant and the GPS tether, correct? That's what current bond is?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right.
And so what we would like to request is the address that is listed as an address that Mr. Hamlet can't go to is his apartment that he's on the lease for. He's paid rent
Is that the Ponderosa Trail?
Yes.
Okay, go
And
ahead.
so the complaining witness does not reside there anymore. It hasn't since this incident occurred.
Right.
And so he'd like to continue to be able to return to his home, currently staying with his parents nearby.
Okay.
And also, in terms of the GPS tether, I'm not sure if it allows for him to go to work, but he said in general, it's causing kind of like a physical issue of having it on.
It does not, it's not a curfew tether, so it doesn't restrict his movement. It's just to keep track of where he's at.
The only thing is, I'll be having problems with my legs. Everywhere I go to in Belleville, I walk through, so it hits up against my bone on my leg. That's the only problem, but everywhere I go in Belleville, I'm walking. I don't have no car, so.
Okay.
Yeah, I did notice that he is kind of walking with a bit of a limp. So I don't know if that's because of either a previous issue or exacerbated.
Okay. Miss Bailey, response?
Your Honor, I haven't had an opportunity yet to reach out to the complaining witness to see if she has in fact moved from that location. So I have not been able to verify that information as of yet. I do believe a GPS tether is appropriate in this case. We are looking at pretty serious charges here with domestic violence as well, and the habitual third offense, Your Honor. The assault with a weapon. I think Your Honor, at this point, that it is an appropriate measure to have a GPS tether keeping track of his whereabouts for the safety of the complaining witness and the community. I have not been able to reach out to the complaining witness to see if she still lives at that apartment or not.
Thank you.
Just for the record, it is a male that is the complaining witness, so it's not.
William Bettendorf. No, that's the officer's name.
So yes, it's not.
Jacob Thomas Adam Cole.
Yeah.
All right. Okay. So I'll allow Mr. Hamlet to return to the Ponderosa address. Obviously, if the complainant's still there, you can't go because that violates the no contact. The no contact stays in place. Understood? I'm going to leave the tether. Sorry it's uncomfortable, but there's a good purpose for it. Anything else?
No, that's it.
All right. Mr. Nunley, you got one?
Yes, we are ready on pegs.
All right, your appearance.
Royce Nunley on behalf of the defendant. At this time, Your Honor, we're just asking for an adjournment for a final pretrial where the victim must appear so that we can get some discovery in the meantime and see what we can do the next time around.
All right, how about, I'll pick a Wednesday, the 2nd, the 9th, 16th.
How about the oh brother, the 9th, I guess.
All right, November 9th at 9:30.
Could we possibly do 10 o'clock? I have a hearing right at 9:30.
Sure.
Okay, perfect. Thank you.
All right, bond is continued. Mr. Peggs, you got that?
I'm sorry, Your Honor.
You got that date? November 9th,
Yeah,
10 a.m.?
Yes, sir.
All right, bond is continued. You're all set. Enjoy your day.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thanks, Judge.
You're welcome. Thank you. Totally good. I'm not asking. We're doing a potluck Monday. Ooh. I told Susie I need something for potluck. She said, how about cheesy potatoes? Can't go wrong with those cheesy potatoes. China made some mac and cheese. I'm not a big mac and cheese fan. Where was that recipe from? It's like the Greenfield Village recipe for mac and cheese or something like that. It's like supposed to be an old, I think it was Greenfield Village. That stuff, there must have been a pound of butter in that pan. And the butter was floating on top of it. When you dish it out, there was butter on the bottom of the pan, but man, was it good. Oh my God, it was good. Oh, we're not talking about fruit packs.
I have a attorney for Johnson, but I do not have the Johnson.
Uh-oh. I also put your parents on record for Shane Johnson.
The matter name is Center Service 506P83973 on behalf of Shannon Marie Johnson.
Yeah, she failed to appear on the 20th.
I have been in touch with her since the 20th, but I have not.
All right, we know how it works. We put it in the file, 48 hours, we issue the warrant. So if you make contact, let us know.
Will do. Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Is that the only one you got with us today?
It is.
All right, have a great day.
Have a good day.
Smith is gonna show that. Yeah, well, wait a minute. That was, yeah, that was not quite late. I just got the email. We'll have a pop. You can also do the costumes. Are you doing the costume? Yeah, I give you points for quickness. Next door. Yeah. Probably that you did some of the phone. Pretty quick, yeah, pretty quick. You should have said he's giving the curve more than one. Sure, yeah. Yeah. Tina, yeah. Sorry, it's with this cheese. She said,
Oh my gosh.
she said, "Come in from." I said, "I'm sorry." Yeah, you're 18, so. We had this conversation. This was probably 2 years ago. Something conversation. Someone, an older crowd was talking about movies and what a class. My daughter's generation, none of them have seen the movie. None of my cousins, or none of my nieces, nephews, Shane's cousins. Like, that's not even okay. And especially, I told Shane, I said, you should watch just for the soundtrack. She likes movie. I think I still have calls. I don't call. Give me your DVD on make the kids. All I had, like 1,000 DVD. That couple went to he was sell a box of DVDs, get 500 DVDs. Oh, that's big because they 500. They asked $100. So we worked out to 20 cents a DVD, right?
was sharing with us some of the messages. Like, do you have any duplicates? What kind of shape are they? It's like, it's 500 DVDs for $100.
Right.
Take it.
Yeah.
You know, and then he actually showed me a picture he posted. In the picture, I mean, if you pulled it up, you could see all the titles. You know, because he had all the thing with the titles up. And, you know, right in his ad, it said, "Listen, the box went to the end." I didn't go through every one. And the grandkids went through everything. But, you know, it's like, seriously? And then and I said, it's not even worth your time for $100 on bullshit. Because he says, nah, this is entertainment stuff. Enjoying the hell out of it back and forth. And his wife said, well, I'll tell you one thing, with that price, you better not give him that tote that they're in, because that's my tote. He's not really cardboard. And it's so funny.
Or those just dips. Have you heard of this?
No.
It's basically this. You can use the same video. Because we can
I've never heard of it.
and they take the full beans. I guess maybe they put.
I just thought it was hilarious.
Like family video and people bringing their food.
I just thought it was hilarious. People were busting jobs about 27 DVD. They're a garage sale. There are dollars everywhere. Some guy that hit a bunch of garage. They buy the whole thing. The one guy says, looks like you got some duplicates. Yeah, I got some duplicates. All right. You know, I couldn't find the movie I want to watch. I bought another one, but it's still 20 cents a DVD. Send me a text, we'll set something up. This is my voice. A lot of times I've never. It's so much simpler. First, I think about it. I see the notification come. I don't think that. And I go, sometimes I can't. I get to access. Sometimes it's just. Facebook. That's my biggest problem. I go to the garage sale. Really, really. I should have won. Really cheap sale. Probably 6 or 8 times. There's auction site. Monday night, they were all. No, that's not the same thing either. They had all kinds of them. They had 4, they had one that was shorter than that. I don't know, it was 2 or 3. Those were more. Let me see if I can find this. Find the email. No, that's okay. What's that? Yeah, that's the option. Yeah. If you look, you pick up the weapons at home. you're on, you're on. If I could afford the gun, I could afford to shoot it. Especially with the 45-70. Can you imagine what those rounds cost? Even if you reload them, it's just a couple rounds. But, I have had size. If I get one now, I'm gonna be really upset. There's special drops. I've done that too. That does help. That it's soothing. It helps. Yeah, I think it's bacteria. Make sure you let the thing go off. You know what my mom's promise is? Part of it. So, you know, if you peel it out, it's right that little tiny little ball of onion, right? Which I'm assuming if I were for onion, you'll talk about that. But she did that little tiny piece and that, and I can't remember that, probably olive, but I'm not sure what kind of oil it was. And she keep that because then you put that, the onion in there, it held the heat. For here? What was it? No, what is it? It's made of. What is it? I did it because it had olive oil in it. What was it, the guy's name? Producer, his name was Fred Sweet.
Candle thing, and you light it.
I've heard of it, yeah, I've never, no. And they really work. Okay. So careful that, doesn't have some. Yeah, I've seen that, yeah, like when they give you real games and sure, it's got that big paper column. Well, I've heard some pretty strange home runs. You heard the home run? No. I don't think I want to look at something like that.
No.
Oh, good.
This is what you get into.
That's all like her. I said, are you dressing up for Halloween? Yeah. Are you going with a group? Or just two? Think he's gonna dress up? I bet there'll be a lot of people. What's going on, Jay? That's right. Right. So did Murray. Thank you. Well, we got both Murrays today. We got Jim Murray and Murray.
It was on accident too. Or by accident, I'm sorry.
Well, some of us have keys.
Yeah, it could be underneath. Everyone's got-
There's got to be a key to the door.
And there is, it'll come out of your.
I showed it. Wow.
Well, there's at least 8. That's at least 8.
And then you should actually get that key to the ignition and start it.
There's no.
Oh, that you can't just keep it.
So then.
Modern technology, it's
That's a couple of years down the road. When you get that chip in.
Oh, yeah, somebody did do that. Yeah. They did ship it.
And then if you open this house with chip, I don't care.
All they gotta do is shut off and hear your hit.
I've seen that on movies. What's that? On the door? Oh, yeah. We got one on the kid. They're not that bright. Well, the cool thing about it though is depending on how much money you spend, it's almost like our keypad, you know. Our alarm pad will tell you who sets the alarm or turns the alarm off. So you do the same thing. You can give her one number to get in your house and you give him another number to get in your house.
So you're saying you can do like a forensic sign?
Depending on how much money you want to spend.
I don't know if that does just build my mother, but it's a sophisticated system. It can tell you whoever you.
I think ours does. Right. Right. But like, how do we get in the house? We should drive to work. That's dangerous. I mean, then that's my thing is because, you know, I got remotes to go getting off the garage area. So if I'm not leaving with my truck, I gotta remember to keep the truck on. Which is too tough to do. Is that scheduled for PCC?
We'll get driver draws at 10:45, not 10:40.
Yeah, Joe. Sorry?
I'll try to get business.
Thank you.